This is the RAN 2554 electric heated SPW, graduating from construction and wiring. Has just recently gone through testing. Machine still needs final cleanup before shipping. It has a pump rinse system and it has a recirculating wash tank. The recirculating wash tank will be recessed in a pit. That will allow wash rack to be rolled straight into the machine and then subjected to 4 rotating wash arms on the right and another 4 rotating wash arms on the left. There's filter baskets located above the wash tank that are easily removable for cleaning. The controls feature a pre-programmed circuit board. It has a 4, 6, or 8 minute wash cycle, depending on your selection of short, medium, and long. The entire wash rinse cycle is initiated by simply pushing one of the choices, which then counts down. There's a wash temperature gauge, a wash pressure gauge, and a rinse temperature gauge. It has an external spray hose to be used for heating and cleaning filters, and also to rinse off the electric immersion meters at the end of the day when the tank is flushed. It has continuous belt construction. It has a PFC wash pump, motor for the wash pump, stainless steel electrical enclosure, the panel disconnect switch, single point electrical connection, and a PFC motor for the pump rinse system. Everything seems to be operating fine. I sent the video along with the test results. Our engineers did part of our normal process.